Hey, what's going on, guys? Joseph White here, and you guys are watching an episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today I've got the ZL1 add-ons for the Dodge Challenger Widebody. These things are going to protect your paint. They're going to keep those wide tires, those super wide tires, from taking up those rocks into the side of your car. For those of you that own the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, Hellcat, or even Demon, these are probably something that you want to look into. It's really going to help preserve the paint, preserve the life of your car. So we'll do an unboxing, we'll do a POV perspective of everything that's inside this package here, and I'll also do a POV installation, and you guys will see that. You'll see how hard or how easy it is to install. You'll get my thoughts on it, and we'll see how the whole thing looks after all of them are installed. So let's check it out. All right, so we have the ZL1 logo on it, ZL1 add-ons. If you look down here, so let's see what's inside. Got some guards here, some more guards. There's a letter inside. Looks to be clips, along with a screw in there. So looking at the reviews, some people say you don't need to screw in, you know, to support the fender flare. Looks to be a hole here for the screw, but the clips can do just fine. So we'll have to see. Let's see what this says. Here at ZL1 Add-ons, our team is always striving to improve and update products as needed based on factory changes. It has come to our attention that some Challenger wide-body models are shipping from factory with different thickness in their side fender edges. These edges are how our rock guards primarily attach to the vehicle. To address this, our team is now providing both small and large clips to fasten your rock guards to your vehicle. We suggest attaching this product to your vehicle with the large clips first. If they are loose, then replace with the small clips. So that's actually kind of huge, right? These guys are recognizing some of the issues that these guys are running into and creating a solution for it. Okay, let's look at the build. There's a textured side, then there's a smooth side. I believe the textured side is what you're going to see like from the back or the rear of the vehicle. The smooth side is going to be facing the tire, so you won't really be seeing that much. These are where the clips look like they go in at. So we've got 1, 2. Here we are, Dodge Challenger Demon rock guard rears. And like I said, it doesn't matter if it's the Demon, the Hellcat, or the Scat Pack. As you know, the Demon, handed down the wide body fender flares to the Hellcat, which then they adopted the same thing for the Scat Pack, which I think is great. Definitely adds a huge style bonus. So same thing here. Looks to be the screws, and then we have the smaller clips along with the larger clips. So now that we have these out, we're seeing what they look like. Let's go to the install. Let's see how this one looks. Let's see, just make sure this lines up correctly. Put it up against this. There we go. It should just clip on, just like this. Okay, so after kind of struggling there for a bit, looks like I was able to get the bottom one installed. And it is pretty thick, but this lip right behind the wall. And what I want to do is, after putting the clips in, just take a look at it and see how we're looking. These did not go in easily though. Like this one here. Okay, that's in. Now, does it feel like it's actually in there with confidence? I don't know. And quite frankly, I may end up very well using some sort of 3M tape. I don't want to drill into this fender. And it comes with extra clips too, so. My issue with it though is that if these clips break off, if all of them happen to break off, mid-drive, these things are flying off. And these things, weren't exactly cheap as far as buying them goes. Okay, see, this one went a lot better. A lot more smoothly. There we go. That one went in. Let's work on getting the front ones installed. So with this one, it's kind of, it's not, I wouldn't say it's difficult to figure out where to clip it. What I'm going to do is start with where this thing meets the bottom fender flare, where the hole is, and then kind of, you know, line it up here. Take this. There we go. This one's going on a lot easier. Okay. There we go. See, that's what I want, that defining click that just lets me know, okay, this thing is snapped in. Last side. Get this thing in. Okay. There we go. See how that grabbed on like that? I liked how that worked out. All right. I'm gonna work on getting this one in here, but that's pretty much it. Trust me, I'm not one to leave something undone. I will get that on, but once I do get it on, let's just see what the final result looks like. I'll do a quick walk around. It's kind of what it looks like. They're minimal. You can't really see them a whole lot, you know. This one here. That's kind of it. I will let you know how these hold up. Because I'm not gonna lie, they don't give me a whole ton of confidence. But definitely, I do think that rock guards are something that you need to look into with these wide bodies. As it gets more narrow toward the bottom of the fender flare, everything coming off the tire right here is coming up the side. Definitely is. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully you liked what you saw. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. You guys know how YouTube works. Give me your thoughts. Give me your opinions on whether or not these bad boys are worth it. I'll let you know too. I'll give you guys a follow-up. I'll let you know how the clips hold up. I'll let you know how the fender flares hold up. Who knows, I might, in the next video, I'll have a video where it's like, I've only got 3 of the mud flaps because they flew off. So we will see. I'll definitely let you know. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.